So here we are mixing up some body filler, all in an effort to make the right application inside the wall. So we see we have our holes covered here. I'm just going to take a little body filler. This is really a good way to easily just close up a hole. Tape it off, make sure that you're covered all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth, it just has to be filled. Okay? Okay. Going up. Doing the same thing up here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth, it just has to be filled. This is a finished bathroom, by the way, so I mean we're trying to be cautious on the walls. Just like that. Now, hopefully, we will be able to remove the paper tape off the walls without screwing up the paint. Okay, there we go. There's that one. I'll just get that over there. Same thing up top. We'll recenter the hole once the bondo is dry, which should be in about 10 minutes. Okay. And you really do need to be careful when you're peeling anything off of a painted wall, because if something wasn't prepped properly underneath it,